Quest 3 is designed to be used as a wireless device, but it is a very capable of a PCVR device as well. The problem is that since it's designed to be used as a wireless device, its USB port is very loose. Because it was designed to be useful mainly for charging only, charging while the Quest 3 is not being used. A loose USB port connection is very problematic for PCVR mode, because whenever you move your head around, the connection can be easily temporarily disconnected, then immediately reconnected again. This creates a major problem for both the headset and the PC. Most of the time, the solution is to restart both Quest 3 and PC. And this gets old very, very fast. So we came up with this solution to address this issue here, especially for PCVR mode. What we have here is a reinforced USB port connection. Inside of it has a right angle USB-C connector plugging into the Quest 3 itself. And this is the charging cable from the BoboVR M3. It's just a placeholder. It does not do anything. So, because when you are using PCVR mode, most of the USB 3.1 port is capable of transfer data and charging the Quest 3 itself. So you don't really need to charge plug into extra USB charging cable into the device. This solution is meant to be used as a somewhat permanent solution, meaning that once it's attached to the Quest 3, you don't really want to take it off. It's small enough that it will still fit in most of the carrying cases. But you can easily take it off. Nothing is glued or screwed on. I will show you in the assembly video. In addition to PCVR and gaming, Quest 3 is actually an excellent movie watching device, especially in 4K. The two lenses in here, or the two displays in here, are not quite 4K, but you can't really tell the difference. So this setup here right now is set up for 4K movie watching. And what I did is that I ripped some of my Blu-ray 4K collection into this SSD here, and it's feeding into the Quest 3 directly. So that way I don't get any kind of compression from streaming servers does. And it has a counterweight on this side, just using 4 AA batteries. Notice that I am not using the face interface because I have a couple of the prescription lenses attached to it, and I also found that it's much more comfortable using the Quest 3 without it, because then after a few hours you don't get that raccoon face. Counterweight is only needed when you have the hard drive attachment on this side and you are not using the face interface. In the PCVR mode, regardless whether you are using face interface or not, this attachment is not needed. It has a separate attachment on the side to secure the data link cable.